Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk about in describing data is quantiles. So sometimes you have a certain variable that you want to divide it into quantiles. Okay, so here let's use a variable called pressure, BP, and the data is available online using this link. So we'll type use, okay, and copy paste the link, and we get a simple data of blood pressure, just one variable. It's a very short data set, just 11 observations, just for me to show you how can we create the quantiles. We can list the data, okay, so if you're going to list the BP, and then you want to separate each observation or each 4 observations together in one section, then you can type list BP, comma, this is the option, separate each 4 observations in one section. So you can get a table where each section has 1, 2, 3, 4 observations, right? And this is just like optional. You can actually like have it just one list, right, without separating them. So you will get it like by default each 5 together. Right? Suppose you want it in terms of 4, in terms of 2 together. It's just like a way of displaying it. Now, suppose we want to create the quartiles of the blood pressure. So we would have to create a variable. We can name it quart. You can name it anything, right? And that variable would indicate the quartiles of blood pressure. So to do so, we basically have a command called xtile. You create a variable, call it anything. I call it quart. That would take the variable BP and divide it into 4 quartiles. After we're done, we want to sort this variable quartile. And we want to list it, where I'm going to list the blood pressure, the variable that we just created, and I want to separate the table by sections based on each quartile. So this is the first step where you're not going to get like any output. You're just like creating a variable. You want to sort it, so it's sorted in the background. And then when you list it, you will get the table that is separated by quartiles. So first quartile is here, second quartile, third quartile, and then the fourth quartile. And you can get a question, let's say a blood pressure of 125 is listed under which quartile? So you would say under the third quartile. Okay, so the variable that we had created is right here. Okay, so it's kind of simple. All right, so I'm going to stop here in this short video, and if you have any question, please email me or list it under the discussion form.